Hey future doctors, I'm Priya and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be breaking down the top medical colleges in India for 2025. And also let's talk about what makes them amazing, how much they cost and which one might just be your future med school. So grab your notebook or just sit back and let's dive right into it. Before we jump into the list, let's answer big one. What actually makes a medical college good? It's not about the ranking, it's about the experience, faculty, clinical exposure like real patients, affordable or justified fees, the campus vibe, the PG prospects, and of course, quality that turns you into a ethical, confident doctor. The GOAT of Indian medical colleges. If NEET had a dream ending, then this would be it. AIIMS Delhi. AIIMS gives you the exposure to the best hospital, rare cases, and a faculty that literally writes the textbooks. The research are world class and clinicals are packed wards. And guess what? The fees is just rupees 6,100 in total. Yes, in total, not per year. This one's for those who want to serve and not just study. Christian Medical College is big on community health and compassion. Their rural outreach is unmatched. Students literally go to villages and treat the patient as a part of their internship. And the fees is around 2.9 lakhs in total. And the vibe is disciplined, value-driven, and ideal if you want a mission-driven medical journey. If AIIMS feels out of reach, then MAMC is very strong second in Delhi. It's attached to Lok Nayak and JB Pan. So the clinical load is heavy, but that's actually a good thing. And the location is in the central Delhi. And the fees is about 12,353 in total. This college is known for good academics, great faculty, and giving you the real feel of Delhi's medical hustle. Want to be a doctor and wear the uniform? Then welcome to Armed Forces Medical College in Pune. This place is run by Indian Army and offers a blend of medicine, leadership and discipline. You will get a stipend, pay just 65,000 and serve in armed forces after your MBBS. The exposure is elite, training is sharp and the vibe is a no-nonsense. This is the Ivy League of private med school. KMC Manipal gives you the global exposure, top-tier labs, modern classrooms, and yes, the campus life is pretty dreamy too. The only catch is it's private, so the fees is about 70.9 lakhs in total. But it's perfect if you want premium facilities and the budget is not a huge constraint. If you love calm beaches and clinical excellence, then meet JIP MER in Puducherry, a government-run institution that delivers big on academic rigor and practical exposure. Students here love the peaceful campus, coastal life and the strong hospital connection. And the fees is around 30,000 to 42,000. So basically, it's a mini AIIMS with a lot of coconut trees. With more coconut trees. IMS BHU, located in the historic city of Varanasi. IMS BHU mixes culture with medical education beautifully. It's a part of Banaras Hindu University and gives you strong academics, especially in the community health and general medicine. The hospital, Sir Sundarlal, is busy and full of practical learning opportunities. The fees is about 1.51 lakh. Plus, there is something soulful about studying medicine in this city as ancient. If you want real, intense clinical exposure, this one's for you. KGMU in Lucknow is known for treating thousands of patients every day. You'll be doing ward rounds in your second year, seeing surgeries, trauma and more. The fees is about 2.3 lakhs in total. That's a great value. It's a busy place, so it's perfect for those students who learn by doing and not just reading. Grant Medical College, located in the heart of Mumbai and attached to JG Hospital, one of the India's busiest. Grant is all about fast-paced and real-world learning. You will learn in trauma wards, deal with those emergency and graduate with serious confidence. The fees ranges from 5.2 to 7.64 lakhs in total. Plus, the Marine Drive is just 10 minutes away from here. If you want private, high-end and structured learning, then SRMC is a top-notch. This is where you find simulation labs, international exchanges and polished infrastructure. It's a NAC A++, which means elite status in academics and quality. The fees is about 1.5 crore in total. It's a great option for those looking beyond government colleges but still want excellence. Okay, now you have seen the list, but how do you get in? NEET is your master key. Aim at least 650 plus if you're targeting for MAMC, AIM or AFMC. Private colleges offer backups, but be real about fees and ROI. Start early, use mock test and study smart, not just long. And don't forget to take care of your mental health because med school is a marathon, not a sprint. So that's your 2025 guide to best medical colleges in India with the fees, vibe and honest talks. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like, hit subscribe and just drop a comment below which college is your dream pick. Want a video on top private colleges under 20 lakhs or MBBS life in India? Then just say a word. Till then, study hard, stay healthy and go save the world, future doctor. Your med journey starts now. See you in the next one.